Look your best. Feel your best. Live your life to the max. Max GXL, the glutathione accelerator.
Hi, I'm Steve Scott. Through the years, I've had a chance to see hundreds of wonderful products and have had the privilege of taking many of those products into the homes of millions of families throughout the world. These have included products like Where There's a Will, There's an A with John Ritter and Michael Landon, a hair care line with Cher, Dillamil with Richard Simmons, and various fitness products with Suzanne Summers and Jane Fonda. But of course, my favorite is the Total Gym with Chuck Norris and Christy Brinkley. But in my 30 years of searching for breakthrough products, I have never found anything that can compare to the product you're about to hear about. A product that I believe can radically improve the quality of life for millions of people throughout the world. My hope is that in the months ahead, millions of men and women will experience the kinds of results from this product that I have personally experienced and have seen so many others experience as well. I'm talking about an incredible nutritional supplement called Max GXL.
What more and more people are discovering every day is Max GXL, a new product, a unique cutting-edge scientific development, a patented proven nutrient formula developed by one of America's leading medical minds, Dr. Robert H. Keller, a researcher and clinical physician who has been named one of the world's 2,000 outstanding scientists of the 21st century. Dr. Keller has served on the scientific review panels for the National Institutes of Health and the VA. He's also published more than 100 original articles and has been awarded several patents. With his extensive knowledge and expertise, Dr. Keller was not satisfied with simply working to avoid or cure disease. He chose to pursue a medical method for improving his patients' quality of life.
Since I had a variety of patients who suffered from low energy, lack of mental focus, I can't get out of bed in the morning, or if I get out of bed in the morning, by 11 o'clock in the morning, I'm ready to go back to bed. This looked like the answer to it. What, in essence, we're doing is empowering each cell in the body to function to its full potential.
Max GXL is a completely unique nutritional product that benefits the body in ways that no other product can. The ingredients in Max GXL work together to help every cell of your body replenish its natural supply of a valuable amino acid chain called glutathione.
Glutathione is basically defined as a cell protector. What do I mean by that? Some antioxidants take care of products of oxygen burning. Some of them take care of products of nitrogen burning. Some of them take care of products of hydroxyl burning. They're all different radicals. This takes care of everything.
Powerful glutathione is part of your body's natural system of checks and balances.
Your body burns oxygen as fuel. It's a wonderful thing. But if you think about oxygen just outside of the body and you put a match to it, it ignites. It is a burning substance. And in point of fact, the same thing happens in the body. The fact of the matter is you create these oxidants which could eat at the cell. And the only way to take care of that is to produce or generate or instill an antioxidant that will quench that fire.
Byproducts of oxidation can build up in cells over time, caused by normal cellular function, as well as diet and environmental factors, such as smoking, stress, and pollution. The oxidative damage they cause can actually break cells down, causing inflammation at the cellular level. We're all familiar with inflammation, the stiffness and discomfort of an injury or swollen joint. But the role of inflammation is particularly significant on the cellular level.
So certainly if I sprain my leg or I break my arm or I have a heart attack, we all will understand that as an inflammatory thing. But the fact of the matter is inflammation is a process that goes on day to day in your body.
Glutathione's incredible power lies in its ability to absorb and clear the oxidants from within cells. This natural chemical component can neutralize the byproducts of oxidation and clear them from every cell in your body so that the cell's natural function returns and its own restorative power is released. reducing inflammation within the cell.
I can literally feel that my joints and my muscles they're performing at a higher level. My whole entire body is. I just feel that.
For all its power, glutathione is a vital commodity in your body. Natural glutathione levels drop dramatically with age, even as the effects of oxidative stress are adding up. In fact, glutathione levels begin to drop appreciably as early as age 20. With your body producing less glutathione over time, what can you do to assure that you have adequate glutathione levels in your cells?
If you use a glutathione supplement, it will be destroyed in your stomach before it is absorbed in your body.
And even if glutathione could reach the cells, the glutathione molecule is simply too big and heavy to pass through the cell membrane.
Look at it this way. You've got a hole this big and a substance this big. It doesn't fit in very well. Max GXL, on the other hand, contains the components of glutathione that, when absorbed into the body, will be maximally created into glutathione so it can be used within each and every cell in your body.
Max GXL is the only compositionally patented nutritional formulation that helps get the critical biochemical building blocks of glutathione to your cells. And Max GXL goes one step beyond by helping the body to generate its own glutathione. It has been shown in laboratory tests and clinical trials to help the body reuse the glutathione it generates multiple times, helping to make your body's natural cleansing and protection processes even more effective.
Bottom of my heart, and from everything that I've learned in medicine and science over the last 30 years, we are all subject to aging. And one of the key elements that we have the ability to control, we meaning each and every one of us, is the ability to stop this inevitable rusting that goes on in our body. And the way to do that, folks, in my estimation, is one and only Max GXL.
Look your best. Feel your best. Live your life to the max. Max GXL, the Glutathione Accelerator.